Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The Chicken Game here, and welcome to a new series. In this series I'm going to show you how to make your own obby on Roblox Studio. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to the link that I have in the description, which takes you straight to this page, and just get this model made by me. Yep, like this, and then go back to Roblox Studio, and then you see the toolbox symbol. Just click that, and then go into my models, and then just insert into your game. So yeah, so this is just the sign for the thumbnail, so you can just delete this. And now we just need to open this readme script, and just it'll just tells you where to put all these items. So make sure you just put all these items inside this model where the script tells you to put them. Okay, so I'll be back as soon as I've put them in the correct places. Okay, so once you've put all those items in the correct places, you can just delete this model, which includes the readme script, as you don't need that anymore. You've already got all these inside your game now. So these are your checkpoints, so you can have as many of these as you like. So this is the first checkpoint, so you can just create another checkpoint and name this checkpoint 5. Yep, you just change all the names to the correct level stage name. So have as many of these checkpoints as you like. So now I'm going to teach you how to make a kill brick. Okay, so usually you would have to make a kill brick and insert a script in every single kill brick. But I've got a way which only needs one script, which controls all of the kill bricks in the entire game. So I learned this from another YouTuber called Blocks. I'll have his icon on the screen now. So make sure you go check out Blocks, link in the description. So yeah, if you want to learn how to code and like make more interesting stuff, like you could make a piggy game because he's got a piggy series on his channel, then make sure you go check out Blocks. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description. So what I'm going to do, you need to insert a part, and you can just make this red. And I'm just going to name this lava brick. Lava brick, like this. So what you're also going to need is a plugin called Instant Tag Window or something. Instant Tag Editor. Yeah, it's called Tag Editor. I'll leave a link to this plugin in the description. So all you need to do is just create a new tag and just name this kill part. Just name it whatever you want, and then you can have as many of these kill parts as you like. And once you've got your tag inside the tag editor window, you just select your part that you want people to stand on, and it kills them. Then you see here in the tag editor, you just click on your tag, then it makes it go blue, which means that this part is linked to this tag. So now when we make a script, when somebody touches this part, they're gonna die, but even though there's no script inside of this part. Okay, so now we're gonna make it so that it does kill them when they do stand on it. So we're gonna use something called collection service. So just follow along what I do. Just follow along what I do, because I'm gonna do a time lapse. So just follow along what I do, and then we'll get the script done. Okay, so I typed kill part in here, but this inside the string is just the name of this tag that you've got in the tag editor. So instead of typing kill part, just type the name of your tag in the tag editor. So once you've done that, yeah, just make sure you got kill part, or doesn't need to be kill part, just the name of your tag. So let's just carry on with the time lapse. Okay, so now we've finished that script off, and now because this part is linked to the tag editor, you can duplicate this part, and this duplicated part will also be linked to this tag editor. So if you stand on any of these two parts, it will kill you, even though there's only one script in the game. So that one script controls every one of these parts. So you can just name this script kill part controller like this, so it controls every single part in the game. So now if I play the game here, I will demonstrate what I mean by controls every single part in the game that's linked. Okay, so I've spawned in the first checkpoint, which makes me on stage 1. So I stand in this kill part, and it kills me. Yeah, I didn't anchor the part, that's why it's moved a little bit. So if I stand in this one, I stood in that one before, now I stood in this one, and it's killed me, even though I only inserted one script. And also, I got these checkpoints. So I'm standing in this one, now I'm on stage 2. So if I reset my character, I'm on this one. Yep, so I'm still on this part. So this is just checkpoints like this. So you don't need a different team. You just need it in a leader stats script. Which, if you need help on leader stats, I made a video on that. So make sure you go check that out. Now you can just make your platforms for your Obby. I'll be back when I've made mine. Okay, I'm back, and I've created the platform for my level. So I just put all the kill parts on this platform here. So you have to jump over the top. So I stand one and died. I've over them. You can space them out as much as you need, as much as you want. Then come on stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5. Yeah. But you might have also noticed that it takes a while for your character to respawn. So it takes a while for your character to respawn again. So what you need to do is go into your players and then change the respawn time down to 0. Okay, I'm back now. And now we can see that when you touch the part, you instantly respawned back to the checkpoint. It doesn't wait a long time to respawn, it instantly respawns back to the checkpoint. So I died, and then I've respawned straight away. That is really cool. So in the next part, I'm going to teach you how to make a spinning part where you have to jump over where there's a pole, and then there's a part on top of it that's spinning around, and you have to try and dodge it. So that's what I'm going to teach you how to do in the next episode. So this is going to be it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!